On the eastern coast of India lies a city unlike any other. Puri, the land where Lord Jagannath resides. Not just a deity, but a living god, one who eats, sleeps, and even falls sick. The idol of Jagannath isn't made of stone or metal, but wood. Every 12 to 19 years, it's replaced. Why? Because it's believed the deity's soul, Brahma Padarth, must be transferred. During Napkalebara, a secret ritual takes place. Priests, blindfolded, wearing gloves, enter the dark sanctum to move the mysterious life force to the new idol. No one is allowed to see. If anyone does, legends say, they die. Over 56 types of food are cooked daily in the temple, in clay pots stacked one over the other. And here's the mystery, the pot on top cooks first. No matter how many come to eat, the Mahaprasad never runs out. And if one day, a single grain is left, it's believed to be a bad omen. On most coastlines, the wind moves from sea to land during the day. But in Puri, it's always the opposite. The wind blows from land to sea, defying natural laws. Every day, a priest climbs the temple, equal in height to a 45-story building, barefoot, without harness, to change the flag. And if one day the ritual stops, it's said the temple must remain closed for 18 years. Every year, the gods come out of their temple to meet their people. Millions gather as massive chariots roll through the streets. Even today, scientists can't explain how the wheels start moving once devotees chant the Lord's name. Before Rath Yatra, Lord Jagannath falls ill. He doesn't give darshan for 15 days, a ritual known as Anvasra. Priests say the Lord needs rest after his yearly Snan Yatra, the divine bath. Atop the temple is the Sudarshan Chakra. No matter where you stand in Puri, it always faces you. And its shadow? It never falls on the ground. Ever. Jagannath is not just a symbol of divinity, he is a presence, a being, a king. A king who leaves his palace, walks among his people, rests, and returns, reminding us. God is never distant. Subscribe the Forgotten Shastra for more content.